Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce pasta quickly. Heat 2 tablespoon butter in a pan and sauté minced garlic briefly. Stir in 2 tablespoon flour to form a roux, then whisk in 1 cup milk slowly until smooth and thickened. Toss cooked pasta in the sauce, add grated cheese for creaminess, and finish with chopped parsley for color and flavor. Serve immediately for best texture and taste. Choose pasta that holds sauce well, like penne or fusilli, and cook it slightly under al dente so it finishes in the sauce. Save about 1 cup of pasta water before draining to loosen the sauce if needed. After combining pasta and sauce, toss gently to coat every piece, adding reserved water a little at a time until silky and clingy. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, then plate and garnish with parsley or extra cheese. To elevate simple white sauce pasta, incorporate quick add-ins that boost flavor and texture without long prep. Sauté mushrooms or stir in pre-cooked chicken for satisfying bites, or mix in steamed broccoli for color and nutrition. A handful of grated Parmesan melts into the sauce for depth, and a splash of lemon juice brightens the creaminess. Keep additions moderate to maintain silky sauce consistency, and ensure every forkful is balanced and tasty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.